welcome to my channel. Here in this channel I give you information on abroad education for the latest technologies. In the present video I present on scholarships to study in Ireland for international students. Ireland scholarships for international students 2020. Ireland throughout the years has got one of the top examinations abroad objections, and in the light of current circumstances, that is COVID-19. Nonetheless, probably the greatest downside of studying abroad is the expense of reading for Indian studies. However, money related awards as understudy advances and various grants to study abroad are a help from this monetary weight for eminent understudies and guardians. Competitors can pursue on for a rundown of grants accessible for Indian understudies to study in Ireland. Top scholarships to study in Ireland for international students. Here is a rundown of grants accessible for understudies hoping to study in Ireland. Irish Government International Education Scholarship Program supported by the Higher Education Authority. Second one, Irish Government Graduate Scholarship Program. Third one, grants from the Irish Research Council in Humanities and Social Sciences. Notwithstanding the grants above, they are likewise accessible with the accompanying colleges. The notable colleges are NUI Galway, Dublin Institute of Technology, University of Limerick, Trinity College Dublin, Maynooth University, University College Cork, University College of Dublin. The details for the scholarships will be updated soon for the academic year 2021. Why study in Ireland? Ireland has had the option to furnish worldwide understudies with the best-in-class instructive offices, an understudy cordial climate, and the chance to win a worldwide norms capability. Competitors are additionally attracted to the nation's understudy amicable approaches, for example, low maintenance openings for work and post-study work license for worldwide understudies. Competitors can investigate the rundown of the best colleges in Ireland. Up and comers who may think that it is hard to take care of expense of concentrating in Ireland or studying in Ireland can likewise look at the different grants accessible to understudies inside the nation referenced previously. Today, I discuss the main 10 colleges in Ireland that are famous with Indian students. You can check the various courses accessible at the college, the qualification standards, the affirmation necessities, and the charge for each program. You have more inquiries. Don't hesitate to keep in touch with us in the remarks below. Ours is Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, behind PVP Mall, Andhra Pradesh, India. Know more about colleges and the courses available in them in detail. Trinity College Dublin, and it is affiliated to the University of Dublin. It was founded in 1592. Located at Dublin in Ireland, is known to be Ireland's oldest university. Next. Here different courses are available. Dublin Business School, originally known as Accountancy and Business College Dublin. It was established in 1975. And the next important college is National College of Ireland, is a non-profit state-supported advanced education establishment in Dublin city centre. The next one is Dublin City University. Over the years, The university has forged a reputation as Ireland's University of Enterprise. And the next important college is Griffith College. Is among the largest colleges in Ireland, which was founded in 1974. Different courses are offered in these different universities. You can visit the website. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video is interesting, you can like, subscribe, share, and you can propagate among your friends. The name of this channel is Abroad Education for Latest Technologies. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.